Hey trendsetters, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to hop right into this do-it-yourself 3-layer tribal braid that I'm going to attempt on myself for the very first time. I'm a little under the weather, y'all, so please excuse me. But I'm just showing you my rack on how I went ahead and prepped for my hair. Also showing the products I'll be using, the red shining jam. I'm also going to be using a mirror. I use a double-sided mirror, but I'm probably going to use the side that's like, where I can see. And then I'm going to be using a comb with the gap, so precise parting. And also I will be using some clips, butterfly clips, and my scrunchie just to hold my hair out the way. And now we're going to get right into it. So as you see, I parted the section from ear to ear for the first half. And I will show y'all how I start off my cornrows. So I am going to start off with these feed-in cornrows, and I am going to take small pieces and then feed similar sized pieces toward each other, but they're going to be a little thicker than the first 4 pieces that I put in. And the reason is that you want that gradual effect from small to big. Now, I didn't want jumbo size braids because I already have a little head, so I didn't want to have thick tribal braids, thick cornrows. So I am gradually feeding in similar pieces to each other. They're not too big, but they are bigger than the pieces that I fed in previously. So if you ever wanted to have those braids where it goes from small to big, start out by feeding the smallest piece possible and then gradually making it more and more in each time you add in that next braid. And as you see, I am going to go down it, and yeah, y'all just continue watching, and it's really pretty much simple. If you know how to cornrow, you would know how to feed in, do these feed in tribal braids. So yeah, if you see my finger, I'm kind of braiding it down and then placing the hair between my pointer and my thumb, and then I just gradually keep going down. And once I get towards the end, I braided it a couple of times so I could swing it over. And if you want to add more hair, you can always add on your way down. So yeah, y'all. Loudly. So this is how the first row looked after I had completed all my braids, and I'm going to move on to the second row. And I probably won't do too much talking because it's very repetitive. So yeah, y'all just enjoy the video and watch the end so you can see the results.
Loudly. Loudly.
This is the final result of my hair. Excuse like it being kind of bent because I had went to sleep last night and I had wrapped it up, and sometimes like when you laying on your hair you put it up a certain way, it might bend, but don't worry about that because it'll fall eventually and loosen up. But I am happy on how this turned out. Cause yesterday, y'all, I was still a little, under the weather, and I feel okay today. And I just can't stand it. Can't y'all, don't y'all hate when it's like the winter time and the weather keep changing, and then you don't know if it's like good one day, then hot the next day, all of a sudden you come out with sinuses and all type of allergies. But it's cool. I'm gonna be okay. But yeah, y'all, I'm really excited on how this hair came out. This is the back. Y'all, I can't even, I can't even explain how long it took me, y'all. I took breaks. I sat down for a second. So it took me the whole day. We're just gonna say this hairstyle took me the whole day. But I'm proud of what I did though, for it to be, you know, just me, and I was under the weather. So yeah, y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you think about this hairstyle, and I'll definitely have more on the way. And yeah, love y'all.